Hey guys, it's Randeep here. Today we are going to do intermediate walkthrough solves on 3x3. So the first scramble is upon the screen. I see a pretty good white cross, which I can eventually make into a X cross. So I'll just insert orange like this, insert red, insert blue, and align the cross. Now I see this pair, and now I can do this pair. Now I'll split this corner and insert. I'll do this OLL and I'll get a PLL scale. The second scramble is upon the screen, so I can do a pretty good X cross right now. So I'll do this, bring orange here, insert red, do R2 and then insert blue. Now I see this pair, so I'll like this and then solve the red pair, then solve this pair, solve the OLL and F prime. So third scramble is upon the screen. So I see a pretty good yellow cross over here. So I'll insert orange, insert blue, this gets paired up, insert red, align the cross. Now I'll take this pair out and insert. I'll rotate and solve this pair first, and then solve this pair, and again rotate and do this pair, and then do the OLL and have some break burn. Third scramble is upon the screen, so I'll do white cross now. U, insert green, insert orange like this, and then insert red, rotate and solve this pair, insert this pair, solve this pair and solve this pair. Now we can do the OLL. Now we have T-point. So the fifth scramble is upon the screen. So I'll do yellow cross, just insert orange, red gets aligned and insert this. Now I'll take out the red blue pair and insert. Now solve the red green pair and then cancel it into this pair, and then solve this pair as well, soon and GB bar.